I bet you didn't know how easy it is to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Amazon affiliate marketing? Well, picture this. You're recommending a product you love to a friend and they love it so much that they buy it. In a nutshell, Amazon affiliate marketing involves promoting products sold on Amazon on your website, blog, social media, or other online platforms. As a side note, if you would like to learn about our #1 recommended passive income program designed for beginners that pays up to $900 daily, requiring no tech skills, no experience, and no huge following, while needing only your cell phone, an internet connection, and just a few hours a day, you can either visit www.beachlaptopoffice.com for the details or click the link in the description. When someone clicks on your unique link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like getting a finder's fee for connecting buyers with products they're already looking for. Amazon takes care of all of that for you. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of Amazon affiliate marketing and discover if it's the right side hustle for you? Before we dive into the specifics of Amazon's program, let's break down how affiliate marketing works in general. You showcase these awesome finds on your platform, whether it's a blog, website, or social media channel. When someone clicks your unique affiliate link, it's like they're walking across your bridge and into the world of online shopping. Every time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. The key is to seamlessly weave affiliate products into your content in a way that feels natural and helpful to your audience. So, why choose Amazon for your affiliate marketing adventures? Well, for starters, Amazon is the undisputed king of e-commerce, boasting a massive selection of products and a loyal customer base. This vast inventory gives you endless options to find products that resonate with your audience and niche. People already trust Amazon, which can boost your credibility as an affiliate marketer. Plus, Amazon's affiliate program, known as Amazon Associates, is super user-friendly, even for beginners. Let's say you're passionate about fitness and have a blog dedicated to healthy living. As an Amazon affiliate, you could recommend workout gear supplements, healthy cookbooks, or even fitness trackers. When a reader clicks on your link and makes a purchase, voila, you earn a commission. The commission rate varies depending on the product category. The real magic happens when you focus on products you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience's interests and needs. One of the most appealing aspects of Amazon affiliate marketing is its incredibly low barrier to entry. Joining the Amazon Associates program is completely free, and there are no complicated forms or hoops to jump through. If you have a platform where you can share your recommendations, like a blog, website, YouTube channel, or social media account, you're already halfway there. Amazon takes care of all the heavy lifting, leaving you free to focus on what you do best: connecting with your audience and sharing your passion for amazing products. Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, at any time that suits you. As an Amazon affiliate, you're your own boss, which means you set your own hours and work at your own pace. You can choose to work from the comfort of your own home, a cozy coffee shop, or even while traveling the globe. All you need is an internet connection. This level of flexibility is especially valuable for individuals with busy schedules, family commitments, or those who simply prefer to be in control of their own time. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights. While the earning potential of Amazon affiliate marketing is undeniably enticing, it's essential to acknowledge that those tempting commissions aren't always as generous as they seem. Amazon's commission rates vary depending on the product category, and some categories, frankly, won't make it rain money. For instance, while luxury beauty items might earn you a tidy sum, everyday household goods might only bring in a few pennies per sale. Building a successful Amazon affiliate marketing business takes time, effort, and a sprinkle of patience. Venturing into the world of Amazon affiliate marketing also means wrapping your head around Amazon's ever-changing rules and regulations. They're the rule makers in this game, and staying compliant is non-negotiable. From disclosure requirements to promotional methods, it's crucial to stay informed and up to date with Amazon's policies. But hey, don't let the rulebook scare you off. Amazon provides plenty of resources and guidelines to help you navigate the ins and outs of their program. In the realm of Amazon affiliate marketing, content reigns supreme. Think of your content as your secret weapon, captivating your audience and guiding them towards their next purchase. Whether you're crafting compelling blog posts, shooting engaging videos, recording informative podcasts, or sharing eye-catching social media updates, quality content is key. It's about providing value to your audience, answering their questions, and positioning yourself as a trusted resource in your niche. Creating stellar content is just the first step. To truly succeed in Amazon affiliate marketing, you need to master the art of search engine optimization, or SEO. In a nutshell, SEO involves optimizing your content so that it ranks highly in search engine results pages, or SERPs, like Google. This involves researching relevant keywords, using them strategically in your content, optimizing your website's structure and meta descriptions, and building high-quality backlinks. Let's talk about the good stuff, the earning potential of Amazon affiliate marketing. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. You won't become a millionaire overnight. But with the right strategies, dedication, and a sprinkle of patience, you can generate a substantial income stream. Your earning potential as an Amazon affiliate hinges on several factors: the niche you choose, the quality and reach of your content, and crucially, your ability to drive traffic and convert clicks into sales. Some niches, like high-end electronics or luxury travel, naturally command higher commissions. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful Amazon affiliate marketing business. Building a loyal audience, establishing your authority, and generating consistent income takes time and effort. Think of your affiliate marketing journey as nurturing a garden. You plant the seeds, your content, water them consistently, promote and engage, and patiently wait for them to blossom into fruitful results, sales, and commissions. Ready to dive into the exciting world of Amazon affiliate marketing? The first step is finding your niche, your little corner of the internet where you'll reign supreme. Think of it as choosing your superpower. What are you passionate about? What knowledge do you have that others are eager to tap into? Niching down helps you target a specific audience, those eager beavers searching for exactly what you offer. Plus, focusing on a specific niche allows you to become an expert, a go-to resource that people trust and rely on. Now that you've found your niche, it's time to unleash your inner wordsmith, or videographer or podcaster. You get the idea. Content is king and queen in the world of Amazon affiliate marketing. It's how you'll attract your audience, build trust, and ultimately convince them to click those all-important affiliate links. Think of your content as your secret weapon, a way to provide value to your audience while subtly weaving in your affiliate recommendations. Product reviews are a fantastic way to showcase your expertise and provide valuable insights to potential buyers. Comparison articles are another great option, especially if you're in a niche where people often weigh different options before making a purchase. Need a little motivation to kickstart your Amazon affiliate marketing journey? Let's hear from some real-life rock stars who turned their passion projects into profitable businesses. Meet Sarah, a travel enthusiast who turned her blog into a thriving affiliate marketing hub. Then there's John, a tech guru with a popular YouTube channel. And Emily, a home decor enthusiast who transformed her Instagram account into a lucrative venture. These stories are just a glimpse into the vast world of successful Amazon affiliate marketers. Imagine waking up every morning without the dread of the 9-to-5 grind, setting your own hours, and pursuing your passions while earning a comfortable living. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for many ambitious individuals, Amazon affiliate marketing has been the key to unlocking that dream, transitioning from a side hustle to a full-time income stream and ultimately, financial freedom. Take the story of Mark, a former accountant who was tired of the corporate grind. He decided to turn his passion for photography into a side hustle, launching a blog where he shared photography tips, gear reviews, and stunning travel photos. He strategically incorporated Amazon affiliate links for cameras, lenses, editing software, and other photography essentials. As his blog gained traction, so did his affiliate income. What started as a few extra bucks here and there gradually replaced his full-time salary, allowing him to ditch his cubicle for the freedom of being his own boss. Now, Mark travels the world, captures breathtaking photos, and earns a living doing what he loves, all thanks to the power of Amazon affiliate marketing. The path from side hustle to full-time freedom is not always easy. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But for those who are willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be life-changing. So, is Amazon affiliate marketing the right side hustle for you? That's the million-dollar question. And the answer, like most things in life, is it depends. It's like finding the perfect pair of jeans. What fits one person might not fit another. As a reminder, if you'd like to learn about the #1 passive income program designed for beginners, requiring no tech skills, no experience, no substantial following, and pays you daily, visit www.beachlaptopoffice.com or click the link in the description for the details. If you're passionate about sharing your knowledge, recommending products you love, and building an online presence, then Amazon affiliate marketing could be your perfect match. It's a fantastic way to monetize your passions, earn extra income, and potentially even create a full-time career you love. But if you're expecting to get rich quick or looking for a passive income stream that requires minimal effort, you might be disappointed. Building a successful Amazon affiliate marketing business takes time, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Ultimately, the best way to know if Amazon affiliate marketing is right for you is to roll up your sleeves and give it a try. Start small, experiment, learn from your mistakes, and most importantly, have fun along the way. You never know, you might just discover your new passion and unlock a world of possibilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and insights.